Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a neumorphic toggle switch using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then, create an HTML file. Let's include FontAwesome into the project. Copy the code for link tag. Use another link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Inside it, create an input element with type as checkbox. Add the Neumorphic class to it. Add the name of FontAwesome icon as secondary class to it. We will only add one input element for now. Let's write the CSS. In the root selector, declare a shadow color variable with RGB value of 209, 217, and 230. Declare another BG color variable with hex value of E3, E6, EC. For the body, set margin and padding to 0. Set height to 100 VH. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set background color to white. For the container class, set position to relative. Set width to 280 pixels. Set padding to 30 pixels. Set background color to value of BG color variable. Set first box shadow to 10 pixels horizontal and vertical offset, 15 pixels blur radius, and color to value of shadow color variable. Set second box shadow to -10 pixels horizontal and vertical offset. (15 pixels blur radius and color to white. Set border radius to 20 pixels. Set font size to 0. For the Neumorphic class, set position to relative. Set appearance to none. Set width and height to 100 pixels. Set margin to 20 pixels. Set background color to value of BG color variable. Copy the box shadows from container class. Set third box shadow to inset with 0 pixels horizontal and vertical offset, 15 pixels blur radius, and color to value of shadow color variable. The fourth shadow will be same as third shadow, but this time, the color will be white. Set border radius to 20 pixels. Set outline to none. Set cursor to pointer. Set transition to all 0.3 seconds with ease in out. For the Neumorphic class's checked selector, copy all the box shadows from the previous code block. Change offsets of first two shadows to 0. Change offsets of third and fourth shadows to 10 and -10 pixels respectively. For Neumorphic classes before selector, set font family to FontAwesome 5 free. Set font weight to 900. Set font size to 35 pixels. Set color to black, with 10% opacity. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. Set transition to all 0.3 seconds with ease in out. For Neumorphic classes checked before selector, set color to any color of your choice. I will set it to a bright purple color. Our basic code is ready. Let's see the preview. You can add more inputs with different icons. Quick tip. You can use nth child selector, along with checked before selector, to color each icon differently. It is looking great. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. I will meet you next time. Till then, good luck and peace.